Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you log into your Snapchat account. So if you don't have the Snapchat app, you should download it first. I'm just going to the app. Here in the bottom, you can see two options, login and sign up. If you don't have a Snapchat account, you should sign up first. I'm just clicking login. Here you can see two boxes here. In the first box, you need to put your username or email address. You can also put your phone number instead. And in the second box, you should give your password. After giving the username or email address in the first box and password in the second one, you should click login in the bottom blue button. So guys, this is how can you log in to your Snapchat account. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.